Hey guys, Amanda Wilsey with Rich & Sons RV here to show you the 253 FBS Puma. This is a 2023 model, last one that we have. Here on the outside, you've got really good storage. Obviously, it's a fifth wheel, so that gives you a little extra storage there. Nice, big, huge, long awning, so plenty of room for entertaining and just sitting and hanging out, as well as the outdoor kitchen here. So you've got your griddle and your beverage cooler. We like to keep the condiments in there, just that way we're not in and out with trying to get the ketchup and barbecue sauce. So headed on in here, right at the foot of the coach, you've got this really nice triple or couch here for three, which will also turn into a little bit of a bed if you needed a little extra here. Above it, of course, you've got your additional storage. And then what's really great about this is a really cool couples coach. It's really short and lightweight, but it also has this U-shaped dinette here so that you could have, make it into a bed and have extra people stay, including extra tall people. Your TV and fireplace are right here directly across from the couch. And then here on the kitchen side of things, you've got your extra large refrigerator, great storage with drawers, and of course your 3-burner cooktop here. Now here's something that's really unique with this coach is all of the extra storage here in the hallway. It's yours to choose what you want to do with it. Pantry, linen, and closet, whatever you want to do. But it's really great that they took this space and turned it into some additional storage. Here in the bathroom, you've got plenty of great space there. Nice, big, tall, rounded shower. Even a motion light in there for coming in the bed in the middle of the night. Then up here in the bedroom, you've got storage on both sides of the bed, USB and outlet, and including these little nightstands here, which is a great addition. Okay guys, this is the 2023 Puma 253 FBS, the last one that we have. Get out here and check it out.